I am making a cheesy potato and broccoli soup, homemade from scratch. So let me show you where we're at on this. And I have my potatoes already cooked right here. So what I have in my pot here is some diced onion, some minced garlic, and I sauteed that in about 4 tablespoons of butter. I cut my potatoes up, I peeled them, cut them up, put them in there, covered my potatoes with water, and then I have let all of that cook until my potatoes are tender. So that's where we're at in the process with this recipe. Potato broccoli soup is so good, y'all. Okay, I'm not really measuring my ingredients today. I'm just pouring and stirring, as I and my daughter would say. I'm going to add just a little bit of whole milk. Here we're going to thin this down. Now I did not drain the water off, okay? Once the potatoes are done, don't drain the water off. Leave that water in there. I'm going to add a little bit of heavy cream because that is going to make it rich and delicious, y'all. So a little bit of heavy cream, let's add that in there. Also, I added salt and pepper to this pot when I was cooking the potatoes, okay? So what I want to do now is I have some Velveeta cheese right here. I've got this cubed up. I'm going to go ahead and add some cheese to this soup. We're going to let that start melting into the soup. So you just make it as cheesy as you want it to be. If you don't want cheese in it, just don't put none in it, okay? Just make it like you want it, y'all. And that's one of the wonderful things about recipes, is that you can take recipes and you can modify them and tweak them to be just like what you want it to be. And I love that about recipes. Now, y'all, I am on other platforms, so you can find me on other platforms. And if you would do that and follow me on those other platforms, I would appreciate that. If you are enjoying this content and would like to support South Alabama cooking, you can like, follow, share, subscribe to South Alabama Cooking. Also, I have a cookbook and merch available. You can go to the link on my profile and access that. I think I'm just going to put all the cheese in there. We'll just do it all. Soup is good on a cold winter night, y'all. Now you don't want to let this boil, okay? You don't want to let it simmer or boil. And you want to keep it stirred because you don't want it to burn or scorch on the bottom. And make your soup as thick or as thin as you want it. That's just your personal preference, however you want it to be. Now I have some fresh broccoli right here. I've chopped it up pretty small, just like that. I'm going to add some of this. Now, I'm going to let that heat up just for maybe a couple of minutes, and then this soup is going to be ready. Oh, this looks fabulous. I'm going to dip some up, y'all, and taste it here in just a little bit for y'all. I've got some homemade biscuits to put with this. So that's going to be delicious. Okay, this is what it looks like. Y'all see that? Ain't that beautiful? Don't it look delicious? Here we go. Taste test, y'all. That is some good stuff, y'all. You can jazz this up any way you want to. You can add some cooked chopped chicken to it. You can add some chopped carrots to it. You could add chopped cauliflower to it. So you can jazz it up however you want it to be. Okay, y'all stay warm out there. Y'all be good. And I'll see you next time with another great recipe.